Hello everyone in YouTube land. Larry back here and welcome back to the channel. We've been at a little bit of a standstill on the car building as of recently because as you've seen on my channel, I'm trying to spend some time to get my garage project together. I have done a little bit of work on the coupe. I'm about to buy a battery to get the Volkswagen moved to the new location and get some other things done. But I thought I would produce this video today to show you another build in pictures. One of the better videos as far as response wise that I've done has been the build on the 1968 F100. So I'm going to do another build picture video on the 99 Mustang GT in chrome yellow that I rescued from an individual for a very low price. It had a spun rod bearing and a number of other issues. But the paint on it was great. The body was solid. The interior and the top, as you're going to see, had some problems, and we did have to rebuild the short block of the engine due to the spun bearing. Got it up and running, and the completion of that project made a very, very wonderful car. I was on the fence on selling it. I really kind of wanted to keep it, but I had the Cobra on the way at that time, and the sale of this financed the engine and transmission on the Cobra. So this was a very important build for my channel and for my car collecting. I hope you enjoy it.